Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and of course I'm back with sorry, I was really excited to do this look, but let's just go ahead and start this video and get into it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and kick this look off with, of course, filling in my brows. I want to kind of give it a wispy look, nothing too thick or too dark. So I wanted to leave it a little natural looking, but just kind of fill the rest of the shape of my brow out. Next, I'm just going in with a little bit of my Can't Stop, Won't Stop super long lasting concealer just to clean up the bottom and the top of my brows. Now, in case you're wondering, this is of course part 2 of the Spring Glam collab that I have with my fave on here. Yes, Miss Winter Simone. We had so much fun doing the first look together, and she asked me to do it again with her, and how could I say no? So you know what you got to do as soon as this video goes off. Click that link right in my description box and show her page some love. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? All right, let's get into this magic mini palette from, of course, my favorite, Juvia's Place. And I'm starting off with that nice warm orange. Now, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I had an idea of what I wanted to do, but this was truly a winged look. And I've got to say, I am so in love with the end results. As you can see, I just dusted a little bit of that light tan over the warm orange just to kind of deepen my crease, and then it starts getting really, really fun from here. Now, I want to take this Spring Glam look to outer space, okay? So, of course, I'm going back in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer over my little gorgeous blue violet crease right there. And I am going to add some gorgeous greens and teals to my lid. All right, now it's time for me to finish the rest of my face now that my eyeshadow is coming together. So I'm going to kick it off with my favorite primer from Milk Cosmetics, the HYDROgrip. And then I'm going to go ahead and get started on my face with some liquid foundation in the color Chai from Born This Way. Now you see me kind of lightening up my eyes in the corners and on the sides with that same Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, a few shades lighter, and I just want to go ahead and use that as a pre-highlight. Now I want a really nice deep contour, so I'm going to use that brown eyeshadow color from my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette just to dust up my cheekbones. Okay, now you know my eyeshadow looks are never done until I go back to the original palette at least once or twice for something extra. So I'm taking that pretty pink in that same Magic Mini palette and just dusting it underneath my tear line. Now, once I'm done giving my look a quick brush over with my hazelnut finishing powder from Fenty Beauty, I want to get into a different kind of highlight today. So I'm taking that really pretty purple metallic shimmer color from the Magic Mini palette, and I'm dusting it over all of my usual highlight spots. Now, I told you we were celebrating the springtime in outer space today, so I'm just going to start my lips off with a quick little base. You know I like to line my lips with concealer because it lasts so much longer and it shows up more on my lips. So I'm going in with my espresso from Can't Stop Won't Stop right before things get interesting. I just couldn't think of any of my lip gloss or lip stain colors that would go with the look I was trying to achieve. So of course, I dipped back into that Magic Mini eyeshadow palette and started using some of that gold shimmer shade all over my lips. Now, y'all know how I feel about my lashes, so I could not complete this look without my favorite new style from, of course, Miss Winter's Simone's cosmetic line. Now you just see me adding some big wand curls to my favorite new wig. Now, if you didn't catch my live install of this hair last week, go ahead and click that link just to see a full review and install, which was also my very first live video on my channel. So make sure you check out my tutorial / review / install of this Nadula Virgin HD lace wig. And here it is, y'all. I am so feeling this look. I don't know. I can't tell which one I like more, my Spring Glam look or my Spring Galaxy look. Anyway, go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And of course, make sure to check out the other half of this Spring Part 2 Glam collab with my girl, Simone, on her channel. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back, giving me a visit, and click and play. And don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you back here next time.